Okay, so at the beginning of 2010, a landfill contained 1,400 tons of solid waste. So the increasing function W models the total amount of solid waste stored at the landfill. So planners estimate that W will satisfy the differential equation, so dW dt is equal to 1 over 25 times the quantity W minus 300 for the next 20 years. W is measured in tons and T is measured in years from the start of 2010. So what we're going to do for part A is we're going to use the tangent line to the graph of W at T is equal to 0 to approximate the amount of solid waste that the landfill contains at the end of the first 3 months. So this would be when time is equal to 1 over 4. So the way that we're going to do that is we are going to go ahead and find our slope. So dW dt is the slope of our tangent line here. So if I did dW dt, I know that this is going to be equal to 1 over 25, and at time 0 in 2010, the waste was at 1,400 tons. So I'm going to plug that in. So dW over dt is equal to, well, that ends up being 1,100, and 1,100 divided by 25 is 44. So that's my slope for my line. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a point. Well, my point is 0, 1,400. So I'm going to do y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. And that's going to give me a slope or an equation of the line. So y minus 1,400 is equal to my slope, which is 44, and then it's x minus 0. So instead of it being y, I know that it's my total amount of waste is going to be equal to 44 times the time plus 1,400. So now what I want to do is I want to use it to approximate at my time t equals 1 over 4. So waste is going to be equal to, if I put in 1 over 4 for t, I'm going to get 11. So I'm going to get 1,411 tons of waste. So now that I found out that at 1 over 4, I found that the waste is going to be equal to, so really I can write it as W of 1/4. That's going to be equal to 1,411 tons of waste. I want to know if this is an underestimate or an overestimate of the amount. And so in order to do that, I need to use the second derivative to figure out what the concavity is. So to take the derivative of dW dt, I'm just going to rewrite it real quick. I'm going to do 1 over 25 times W minus, 1 over 25 times 300. There's 4 of them, so it's got to be minus 12. 4 per 100, so times 3 minus 12. So this gives me d2W over dt squared, and that's going to give me 1 over 25 W prime, which I like to write in this scenario, is dW over dt. So I'm going to replace that. So that's equal to 1 over 25, and dW dt was equal to 1 over 25 times my W minus 300. So that's equal to 1 over 625 W minus 300. And so that was my second derivative here. And so what I need to do is I need to figure out if it's an over approximation or an under approximation by looking at the concavity. So if I plug in my initial tons of waste, which is 1,400, I would get 1 over 625, 1,400 minus 300, and what I would end up getting here is some positive number. So since this is a positive, and when I do this on my calculator, I'm going to get 1100 divided by 625. I'm going to get 1.76. And so then this would be tons per year. So it's increasing by 1.76 tons per year at that moment. So positive means concave up. And since it's concave up, if I were to draw a curve of what this might look like, it could look like this. If I go out 1/4 of a year and I create my tangent line, you'll see that it's always going to be under. So this is going to end up being an underestimate.